People, once again, please make some noise. Contestant number 13, contestant number 14. Next, please welcome contestant number 15 with a big round of applause. Constellation line, every second feels divine. Temperature rising, no compromising. Fire underneath your skin, no hesitation, pure temptation. Let the chaos unfold neon velvet. All right, people, once again, can we have a big round of applause for them? Sugar on your lips, don't bite. Mirror, mirror on the wall, be the best of Next, let's make some noise for
cherry gloss on my
contestant number 19 and contestant number 18.
in my lace, velvet touch, luxury. You can handle all of me.
Next, presenting you contestant number 20.
Kiss me once more. Breathe fire. Normally walk my step in the room, make it boom like bass in a boom.
I am a proud daughter of my beautiful land, West Carbianglong. I am Manini Teronpi, your contestant number 2, currently pursuing my higher secondary from Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipo. Through learning, education, as well as my self-confidence, I would like to become a woman who inspires other young girls to stand tall, self-reliant, and confident. I believe that every woman has their own light, and through that, I aim to become and make my light shine through inspire all the young girls to discover their own. Through this, thank you everyone. Cardon.
Thank you so much, contestant number 2. Next, can we have contestant number 3?
Hello everyone, respected judges and who are present here. I am Sharon Signorpi, a fusion of tradition and modern faith, hailing from Amjoktopi village, a beautiful place called the Labra Carbianglong Sound. Thank you.
Good evening, judges, and good evening to all the people who is present here tonight on this greater event of Miss KYF 2026, and also welcoming each and everyone to our 52nd Carbi Youth Festival, celebrating 52 years of our rich culture, tradition, and unity. My name is Tina Deronpi, contestant number 4, proudly representing the vibrant culture and majestic landscape of Langdabong, Dubai. I'm 20 years old and I'm currently pursuing my BSc studies at Difu Women College. And lastly, one short message to everyone present here. To always believe in yourself, because believing in yourself is the greatest weapon to confuse the fear and insecurity. Thank you. Nomi Tampik, Kurmantu, and Pardon. Pardon, Teralangso. A very warm good evening to respected judges and to all present here tonight. My name is Argina Kropi, your contestant number 5 from a beautiful place, Bangkok. I am currently in my first year of pursuing my master's degree at Assam University, Difu campus. My hobbies include crocheting and dancing, which helps me express my creativity and boost my confidence. My aim in life is to become a professor and contribute to the society by sharing knowledge and guiding future generations. I feel proud and honored by participating in this for the Youth Festival, a platform that celebrates our culture, identity, and youth. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening.
big round of applause for Contestant. Please put your hands together for all our trans contestants. Tonight, one of them will walk away with a crown of Miss KYF 2026. BSc in Special Creative Design, England University, this is Polo.
First of all, thank you so much, Miss, for the question. As I got a question regarding equality.
And on behalf of Sarvite Singhi, Executive Member Kabila Fitness Council, I would like the winner of Miss KYF 2026 goes to contestant number 2. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 2, the winner of the Miss KYF 2026. And on the meantime, I would also like to request the winner of this KYF 2025 to kindly bring the crowd to the stage and present it to